So hey guys, welcome to my channel Mumbai Car Boy, and yes, we are on a ride to this beautiful village called Srivardhan. You will read it down in the comment box. I have with me behind Mr. Amol Divekar's son. His नाव काय रे तुझा? बच्चू नाही, श्रेयान. पूर्ण नाव बोल.
श्रीवर्धन में अपन जा रहे दिव्यागर जा रहे.
हाँ? Very good, and that is Amol over there. So we are actually at the moment it is 2:45 and we have decided to actually go to his village. किधर?
दिव्यागर खुजारे.
Divyagar Khuzare. I cannot pronounce that, but that is very close to his Srivardhan as well. So yes, this journey has just started. We just काय? Okay, house pan mota hai. That's what exactly the small fellow says. Now this journey is going to be a little dull because I am tired. I just came from a long ride, and Amol has started driving at the moment. But we'll let you know how the actual ride is. Now it's full. You can see it's 139 from Mumbai to Panvel. We have come in 139 rupees. We have had tea with adrak and limbu. That's what he's saying. So you can see the beautiful view. The sun is just rising, and that is the view. Shreyan is sleeping in the car. Is fast asleep, and this is now going to be a beautiful view actually ahead. So now we have decided to take Shrey to actually remove some pictures because we've got a wonderful spot with this beautiful view. You can see the view. So we want him to sit on the tracks and remove a few pictures. Yes, there's a railway crossing right over here, and it's such a beautiful morning. You can hear the peacocks actually, making noise. It's early morning. It is just 6:05, and this is the train tracks crossing. So this vlog is mostly going to be of the scenic view that you would see while traveling from Roha to all these places. Nothing much that I would be talking about. That's what you would expect in this vlog. So yes, there is a lot of ghats that we'll be crossing. We just crossed a beautiful bridge. I'm sure you liked the bridge that we just crossed. It was from the Hero 9 camera. Unfortunately, my GoPro Max was in the bag, and now we have it handy, so in case we are crossing another bridge, I shall get you a nice beautiful 360 shot as well. So stay tuned and enjoy this beautiful scenic view. So we have reached a beautiful spot. You can see this is a bridge that is after the village that we just passed. You can see it right there, and Shrey is just trying to climb on the car, and this is the view. And that is a father and son duo trying to do some masti. And that is his son. So this is our third stop, and now we are going to actually have the vada pav that is over here famous. That is what Amul has told me, and he said he has had it over here. So me, Bachchu and Amul are going to have some vada pav. I'm going to show you how they are, and I'm definitely going to comment on how they taste as well. तो आता वडापाव खाणार की नाही?
ठीक आहे.
हां, किती खाणार वडापाव? दोन खाणार ना? चहा बी काय पिणार?
नको.
मग तू झोपला बरोबर झोपला गाडीत? आणि अथर्वला काय नाही आणलं तू? अथर्वला काय नाही आणलं दादाला?
काय?
दादाला काय नाही आणलं?
काय नाही आणलं?
का? दादाला काय बोलायचं तुला? दादाला बोल आय मिस यू करून. दादाला बोल, कॅमेरामध्ये बोल, दादा बघणार मग.
हॅलो.
दादाला बोल आय मिस यू.
आय मिस यू.
Wow. So that is his message to his brother, and yes, he misses him. He was sleeping the entire ride, but wherever we wanted to click pictures, you have seen it as well. We woke him up and made sure that he's clicking pictures, and he likes those yo type pictures better than his father as well. Correct, Bachchu? Yeah. Come here, sit here and eat. And this is for me. You're going to have vada pav? Huh? Yes or no? Huh?
Yes.
Very good.
ठीक.
Do you like vada pav? Very good. So I've got my partner in crime, so you can see him sitting over there, and he's going to eat it. So let's see कौन फटाफट खाणार है, कौन फटाफट
गरम है,
खाणार?
गरम है.
आरामात आणि हातात पकड.
हातात पकड.
So we've almost reached to Amul's village. We're entering his actually place. It's very quiet. The feeling of being in a village is basically beautiful. It's very quiet, less of pollution, less of noise. So you can see this old person is actually walking from the village. इसमें बस आता है क्या अंदर?
नहीं, बस नहीं है, बस बाहर ही उधर ही.
So they have to come actually walking all this way till the main road for the
auto.
bus. Or if there is an auto, they will come in the auto. बाबा घर पे ही है.
हॅलो बाबा.
बाबा कशा आहेत?
बरं मस्त आहे. अरे बच्चू
मग बाईक घ्या पुढे.
बाय. आई आली बघ.
इथे इथे.
इथं बघ पुढं वरती.
कोण आहे?
हा इथे.
आई आली बघ. आई हे रुक रुक. आई आ रही है. आई तो बघ आई वो तू गेला आईच्या काम वैसे बाहेर गया हो. हे चालला आम्ही चाललो घरी. जाऊ आपण. हा. So we have finally made it to his village. That's his house, and we are here actually with him. Atharva was gone with his granny because as soon as he seen his granny, he was like, I want to be with her, and he just jumped out of the window of the car. I could not catch it. I hope I caught it, but not sure. And that is his house. सामान लेने का है रे अंदर? So let's take you on a small tour of the house. So that's the main entrance. That's I with Amul and Atharva. Hey, utna baba. That's Gaurav's wife. That is the kitchen. You can see the kitchen, a sweet kitchen. That's a small dressing room or an extra room. And this is the backyard. So let's show you the backyard. I'll just wear my slippers. It has started raining just now. So this is the backyard. Oops. And right there is their toilet. Now it's an Indian toilet. It's got a hole in the ground, and you need to aim. That's basically how it is. It's not a Western toilet. That is where she was making the water hot or for the bath. and this is where they have a lot of plants. They just recently built this wall, and this is the back area, you can see, where they store their wood and everything. So trust me, during the cyclone, not this Tokte, but the other cyclone, this everything, all these chopra and everything had thrown away. And I'll put some pictures right now, you will see of what the situation was over here, and then Amul had to come all the way and, you know, get it sorted out. So this is also the other side of, this is the entrance. You can see the entrance where the car is also right there. So we're going to a small stream with Shri, and let's see, just behind the house, it's just 5 minutes down the line. So come along with us. Hey, chale Amol, चल रे. ठीक आहे. केसाला काय लागलं? इकडे.
पाणी.
पाणी नाही. हे सगळं काय लागलं तुला? चल.
कुठल्याने चालले ना?
मग काय करू?
पाठीच्यावाला.
So you can see that Shri is with me, and it is a small waterfall that is just next to the house. It's actually a stream of water that is flowing, and that's exactly what we're enjoying at the moment. Correct, Shri? You're enjoying, no? You want to see how clean the water is? And I'm going to go inside the water and show you how clean the water is. I've actually drank the water, and it's coming from up above the mountain. So let's go for a dive right now. It's very shallow, but let's enjoy it. So we have reached top on the mountain. We were actually there, you can see where the goats are. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there was where we were in the water. And right now we're going up. So see the view over here. We're going more up with Amul on top over there, and we'll check out the view from there as well. क्या है अमूल ये?
करवंद.
So this is coriander. You can actually make pickles out of it also. And he's sticking it one in his mouth, but he was unsuccessful. So I just finished having a shower. I had a warm water shower. We're going to have food soon and go to sleep for some time, because now it's approximately, I got up at around 4 o'clock in the evening from yesterday, and it's almost going to be 24 hours that we have not slept at all. That is the same with Amul and me. So we need to eat some food, go to sleep for some time, and then we will explore his village more later in the evening. Till then, stay tuned. Let's see what Amul's mother has made. Of course, she cooks very well, very nice food. and especially they have everything that is, you know, the village type. So you can see, as I showed you earlier as well, they make water hot in that pot over there, and they also make their rotis on coal. So let's see if I'm going to have something like that. So after a very good meal, since Amul is already dead, and we've put an alarm at 5:30 because basically we want to go to the beach. That's why we've put an alarm at 5:30. So I'm going to go to sleep as well for some time, and once we wake up, we'll go and explore the beaches. Hey, a very good evening to you, and what a beautiful evening. Well, we slept for only 2.5 hours, and it is right now 5 o'clock. Amuna told me to wake him up at 5:30, but I woke him up at 5 o'clock. And right now, just look at how his village looks with the, you know, clouds all set up, just on the village. And I think it's going to rain. Before that, I think we should need to go and try and go to the beach. I can see the beach from here. I'm not sure if you would see it, but let's show you how the village looks at the moment. We've been told that the beaches and everything are shut in the village. It's only because of the COVID norms, as I said earlier. But we are at the moment, we are masked and everything, and we are actually trying our luck to see if we can actually show you actually the beaches of this beautiful village over here. So right here, we are here at the beach, and it was opened on Monday. So this is just the starting of the Adgaon beach, and Amul is basically enjoying this beautiful scenic view and the beautiful beach ahead.
Hi guys. Hi Mumbaikar boys.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this beautiful vlog of Amul's village. Yes, we are sitting at the beach at the moment enjoying the sunset while you watch the time lapse of the sunset. This is Mumbaikar Boy saying thank you so much. See you on a next ride or drive on my channel. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, like and share the video.